What must you do before eating dried fruits? Dried fruits are a convenient and tasty snack, but before you eat apricots or raisins, there are a few important steps to take. Recent statistics reveal that dried fruits are nutrient-dense, with a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, a 100-gram serving of dried apricots can provide around 3 grams of fiber, 7 grams of natural sugars, and significant amounts of vitamin A and potassium. But to get the most out of dried fruits and avoid any potential issues, here's what you need to do before eating them. 1. Check for added sugars and preservatives. Before consuming dried fruits, check the label for added sugars and preservatives. Many dried fruits are sweetened with extra sugar or treated with preservatives like sulfur dioxide to maintain color and extend shelf life. Added sugars can increase calorie content and reduce the health benefits of dried fruits, while preservatives might cause allergic reactions or other sensitivities in some people. Opt for products with minimal or no added sugars and preservatives. 2. Rinse or soak if necessary. While dried fruits are usually clean, it's a good practice to rinse them under cold water before eating. This can help remove any residual sugars or preservatives on the surface. For fruits that are particularly sticky or coated with sugar, you might want to soak them briefly in water to reduce stickiness and make them easier to eat. 3. Be aware of portion sizes. Dried fruits are concentrated in sugars and calories compared to their fresh counterparts. A small handful can have as many calories as a much larger serving of fresh fruit. To avoid overconsumption and maintain a balanced diet, be mindful of portion sizes. A typical serving size is about 1/4 cup, approximately 30 grams, of dried fruit. This helps manage calorie intake and prevents potential spikes in blood sugar levels. 4. Hydrate well. Since dried fruits have a lower water content compared to fresh fruits, eating them can sometimes cause dehydration or digestive discomfort. It's essential to drink plenty of water when consuming dried fruits to help with digestion and hydration. Drinking water can also help your body better process the concentrated sugars and fiber found in dried fruits. 5. Check for allergies. Some people may have allergies or sensitivities to dried fruits, especially if they contain sulfites or other preservatives. If you're new to eating dried fruits or have experienced allergic reactions to them in the past, start with a small amount and monitor for any adverse reactions. If you have known allergies, consult with a healthcare provider before consuming dried fruits. 6. Store properly. To maintain the quality and safety of dried fruits, store them properly. Keep them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Avoid exposure to moisture and heat, as these can lead to spoilage or loss of flavor. Proper storage helps ensure that the dried fruits remain fresh and nutritious for a longer period. 7. Consider nutritional balance. While dried fruits can be a healthy snack, they should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods. They can be high in natural sugars and calories, so they are best enjoyed in moderation. Pairing dried fruits with nuts or seeds can create a more balanced snack with additional protein and healthy fats. Before eating dried fruits, it's important to check for added sugars and preservatives, rinse or soak them if needed, be mindful of portion sizes, stay hydrated, check for allergies, store them properly, and consider your overall nutritional balance. By following these steps, you can enjoy the delicious taste of dried fruits while maximizing their health benefits and avoiding potential drawbacks. If you appreciated this video, please subscribe for more valuable content.